Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 8200 dockside switcher. So since I put that new motor in it and it has forward and reverse, I added a front coupler so I can actually run this as a switcher. And what I did was I just mounted a small block of wood in there, as you see, and then just mounted that coupler directly to it. And it works. It actually works quite well. So just got this assembled. So I thought I'd do a quick video. So the Lionel 8200 dockside switcher with a front coupler running as a switcher. As you see, runs really well. Forward and reverse, front and rear coupler. So it didn't have to modify the locomotive. I just added that small half-inch square dowel to the front and then mounted the coupler directly to that. As you see, that runs really well. Looks nice, runs well. So this started life as a DC powered locomotive. And I got that new motor for $3, AC motor, with forward and reverse, so I figured I would go ahead and add a front coupler to this. Like I said, just trying to stay busy, but as you see, it was worth the time it took. I mean, a grand total of about 10 minutes, I guess. So it's up and running. And then I just took the coupler off the DC motor that I took out of there. So it runs really well. And if you want to increase its usefulness, you could, of course, put a Marks tab and slot coupler on the front. That way you could use it with Lionel or Marks. Anyway, it worked. It only took a minute to do it. And turned it into a genuine switcher. It runs forward and reverse now, of course. So really simple to do it. Only took a few minutes. And it is now a genuine switcher, as you can see. Let's run it forward. Haven't tried this yet. So, as you see, it works. Forward and reverse with no problem at all. So a genuine dockside switcher, Lionel 8200 forward and reverse with a front and rear coupler. Like I said, it only took a couple minutes to do this, so like I said, trying to stay busy. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.